Actually a federal judge.
Okay, low honk, okay? Blow long and steady till it does stop. You're sucking on it now.
I beg your pardon?
You're sucking on it now. And you say, was this here when you started your drive up from Bay City? Can you pick a number between 19 and 21 for me? Assess
15.
As you pick a number between 19 and 21 and you pick 15?
Yep.
Okay. Sir, can you get out of the vehicle or is your door stuck?
Well, I can get out. I'm not exactly sure why these deployed.
You're not sure why?
No.
Okay. Well, the side of your car would indicate you struck something.
Like where?
Okay. Let me do a favor and walk around the back of your car there.
Okay.
Just do me a favor. Turn. Stop. 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 Just turn around.
Yep.
Right here. Back of your car.
Yep.
Back of your car. Sir, step over to the back of your car.
Yep.
Step up.
Put your butt against the back of your car.
Come over
Put your
this
butt
way.
right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Tom.
Tom, how much you had to drink today?
Nothing tonight.
Nothing.
No.
Okay. Did you take anything? You on any medications?
No.
Okay. Well, you were in an accident here. You struck some signs. Your vehicle was called in. You have full airbag deployment, so it tells me you struck something, right?
Yep.
Right. So there's something going on.
Yep.
All right. Do you have any head injuries? Any history of head injuries?
No.
No. Never been knocked unconscious?
No.
Okay. No concussions or anything?
I'm actually a federal judge.
Okay. Are you able to see my finger right here?
Yeah.
Why don't you just go ahead and put your hands by your side. Take one step away from your vehicle for me. Away from your vehicle for me. Step toward me, one step.
Yep.
Toward me, one step. Okay, very good. All right, sir, you go ahead and put your feet together for me.
Yep.
Put your hands by your side. You see my finger? I want you to look at my finger, okay? You're looking at me. I need you to look at my finger.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. I want you to follow my finger with your eyes without moving your head. Okay? You understand that?
Yep.
Okay. I need you to look at my finger.
Yeah.
All right? And follow my finger.
I understand.
Okay. All right. I need you to follow with my finger here.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. You're not tracking my finger. All right. You're looking at me. I want you to look at my finger for me. All right?
Yep.
Look at that. Can you see the finger? Okay. Track my finger with your eyes without moving your head.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you're moving your head. I need you to move just your eyes. All right, not doing that at all. Okay, sir. What I want you to do is I want you to imagine a straight line running from the back of your car down the hill there, okay?
Yep.
And place your hands by your side for me. Keep them there for me. All right.
And walk.
No, sir. I want you to follow my instructions. I'll tell you when to begin. All right? I want you to imagine that straight line right there.
Yeah.
Okay? I want you to place your left foot on that line. I want you to place your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Can you do that for me?
Think so?
No, sir. All right, sir. I want you to just wait right here. Let's step up, back up against your car. I want you to lean against your car for me. So I want you to be honest with me. Tell me how much you had to drink today.
Seriously, I don't think I had anything.
You don't think so? Where are you coming? Where are you coming from?
Federal court in Bay City, Michigan.
In Bay City?
Yeah.
So you've driven all the way up from Bay City?
Yep.
Do you have any history of driving drunk at all? Have you ever been arrested before?
Nope.
Okay, sir.
I've dealt with a lot of people that have.
Yeah, I understand that. All right. So what I'm going to do is ask you to take a preliminary breath test for me.
Yep.
Okay. So with the request of peace officers, I'm sure you understand the state of Michigan, you're required to submit to a preliminary breath test. Do you have any questions about that?
Nope.
What I want you to do is take a deep breath from the bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Yep.
Okay, can you open your mouth for me?
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, can you open your mouth for me? You got gum in your mouth, don't you?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and pitch that for me. I'm going to have to wait just a moment before we do the next one since you had that gum in your mouth.
Yep, I understand.
All right, see, sir, right over here,
Yeah?
you see the damage to the side of your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, was this here when you started your drive up from Bay City? It was not.
No.
Okay. And we had a report that your vehicle struck some signs on the road about a mile back that way. Okay? Which would explain your airbag deployment.
Here in Emmett?
Yeah, on this road, it's about a mile back that way.
On a quiet October night in rural Michigan, what first appeared to be a routine traffic stop quickly unfolded into something far more unsettling. A state trooper approached a damaged Cadillac sitting along the roadside, its airbags fully deployed. and the side of the vehicle visibly crushed. It was immediately clear that the car had struck something, yet the driver behind the wheel seemed strangely detached from the scene around him when the officer asked whether he could step out of the vehicle. The man complied calmly. He did not appear panicked or aggressive. Instead, there was a noticeable calmness. Almost too much calmness for someone who had apparently just been involved in a collision serious enough to deploy every airbag in the vehicle. As the officer guided him to the rear of the car, the questions began. Had he been drinking? Had he taken any medication? Did he have a head injury? The answers came slowly but confidently. He denied drinking. He denied medication. He denied any medical issue. That could explain why he seemed confused. Yet the contradiction was impossible to ignore. The vehicle was heavily damaged. Witnesses had already reported that it had struck road signs roughly a mile back, and still the driver claimed he had no memory of any collision at all. Then, almost matter-of-factly, he added a detail that instantly changed the tone of the encounter. He was a federal judge, but titles carry no weight in the middle of a roadside investigation. The trooper continued with standard field sobriety procedures. At first, the officer asked him to follow a finger with only his eyes, but even that simple instruction became difficult. The man repeatedly looked at the officer's face instead of the finger, moved his head when told not to, and seemed unable to concentrate on the task for more than a few seconds. The officer then attempted to move on to walking tests, explaining step by step what needed to be done. Again, the instructions didn't seem to register. He stepped forward when told to wait. He appeared uncertain where to place his feet. He hesitated, shifted, and never fully seemed to understand what was being asked of him. As the stop continued, the confusion only became more obvious. In an attempt to gauge his mental clarity, the trooper asked him to choose a number between 19 and 21. The answer came back immediately. 15? It was a brief exchange, but it said everything. Moments later, when asked to recite the alphabet beginning with C and ending with Q, the sequence quickly fell apart into a jumble of letters. For the officer, these were not small mistakes. They were warning signs, each one adding to a growing picture of severe impairment. The next step was a preliminary breath test. It should...
I can't explain it.
You have no memory hitting the signs?
No.
Okay, your airbags just deployed.
Yeah.
About how long were you driving with those airbags deployed?
Well, I can't tell you that I know when this deployed. I don't. I have no memory of that.
All right, no memory of it at all. So you don't take any medications at all?
None.
None?
No.
You haven't taken anything today?
No.
Can you pick a number between 19 and 21 for me?
I beg your pardon?
Can you pick a number between 19 and 21?
Yeah, it's not hard, but I mean, why? What would be...
Just a question I'm trying to assess.
15.
Okay. So, as you pick a number between 19 and 21, and you pick 15?
Yep.
Okay. All right. You're a federal judge, so I assume you have advanced levels of education?
Yeah. So?
Okay, sir. So you know your ABCs, right?
I do.
Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to recite your ABCs for me without singing, beginning with C and ending with Q.
A, B, C, D, E, F, Q, F, R, A, Q, A, T, S, C, R, S, C, Q.
Go ahead and take another preliminary breath test. All right, sir, I want you to take a deep breath and bottom of your lungs belong and steady till I tell you to stop.
Yep.
Blow hard for me. Okay, we got to stop. All right, deep breath, bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady, okay? Like you're blowing up a balloon. That ain't going to do it, all right? Got to take a deep breath, blow hard, like you're blowing up a balloon, okay?
Yeah.
Take that deep breath, blow long and steady till I tell you to stop. You're sucking on it now.
I beg your pardon?
You're sucking on it now. I need you to blow. I can feel when you're blowing, all right?
Yeah.
So take a deep breath.
Yep.
From the bottom of your lung. Like that. Blow long and steady till I tell you to stop. Take your deep breath. Take a deep breath. Blow. Blow hard. Harder, harder, harder. Okay. We're going to try something else here. All right? Once you try that again, take a deep breath.
What are we doing here?
We're taking a preliminary breath test because you're not following my instructions.
Why not?
Because you're not blowing. Okay?
I beg your pardon?
You're not blowing through the straw.
Yeah.
You got to blow through the straw for the test to top.
Yeah, what am I not doing?
You're not blowing. Okay? So without this here, take a deep breath for me.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath.
Yep.
No, go ahead and take the deep breath now.
Yep.
Blow out hard like you're blowing up a balloon.
Yeah. I get it.
Okay.
Why haven't I?
I want you to do that for me as an example, like this.
No,
Right? Yep.
my experience has been that people have a tendency to roll up and then roll down.
Okay.
And you're always trying to figure out where they are in that process.
All right. All I want you to do is blow through the straw.
Right.
Okay? If you don't blow through the straw, I'm going to take that as a refusal.
Sure.
Okay?
I get it.
So, will you blow for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have. 3 times.
Nope, didn't blow. Right? Because the
Beg your
machine can
pardon?
sense when you blow. Okay?
I beg your
The
pardon?
machine can sense when you blow. All right, so if you don't blow again, I'm going to take that as a refusal. All right?
We've done it 3 times.
You haven't done it.
Why?
Okay? Because you haven't blown through the tube like I've directed you to. Okay? So, are you going to blow?
Well, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Okay. Go ahead and take that for me. All right, sir, turn around, place your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for operating under the influence tonight. I want you to interlace your fingers for me. Turn your palms together. I'm arresting you for operating under the influence, sir.
Well,
You are very clearly intoxicated. I've got the odor of alcohol coming from you, even though you say that you haven't had anything to drink today. You were involved in a motor vehicle accident. You're unable to follow simple instructions or take any of the tests that I'm offering you here. So I'm going to go ahead and put you in my vehicle. Come on with me. Come on, walk with me.
I am.
I'm going to need to scoot her back. Okay. Go ahead and stand up against that door for me.
What in the hell are we doing?
I've told you, sir, you're under arrest.
Yeah, well, I get that. I mean, that's daily business for me.
Yeah, I understand. All right, go ahead. Turn around. You're going to sit in the seat.
Yeah?
Sit down. Okay. Now, place your feet in the vehicle.
Yeah?
Place your feet in the floorboard of the vehicle.
All right, where are we going?
We're going to jail.
Even simple. Take a deep breath and blow steadily into the tube. But once again, the driver could not or would not follow instructions. The officer explained it multiple times, demonstrated how to do it, and even clarified exactly what the machine required. Yet attempt after attempt failed. No proper sample was provided. The driver insisted he was cooperating, but the machine registered otherwise. To the officer, what had begun as uncertainty was becoming unmistakable. This was no longer about nervousness or misunderstanding. It was a pattern of confusion, poor coordination, and an inability to complete even the most basic tasks. Finally, after repeated failed instructions, visible signs of impairment, and the evidence of a recent crash, the trooper made his decision. He turned the man around, placed him in handcuffs, and informed him he was under arrest for operating under the influence. Even then, the driver seemed more puzzled than alarmed. He questioned what was happening, almost as if the seriousness of the moment had not fully reached him. When told he was going to jail, he accepted it with an odd detachment. What made the incident even more shocking was what investigators learned afterward. The man under arrest was 72-year-old Thomas Lewington, a federal judge serving on the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan. According to police, he had driven after crashing into 2 road signs before troopers finally located him. A later blood test reportedly revealed a blood alcohol concentration of 0.27, more than 3 times the legal limit. He was booked into county jail and charged with operating while intoxicated, along with driving with a high blood alcohol level under Michigan law. In the days that followed, the arrest made headlines not simply because of the alleged intoxication, but because of who was behind the wheel. A federal judge, someone entrusted with interpreting the law, had suddenly become the subject of it. He later took a leave of absence from the bench, but the legal proceedings continued. And perhaps that is what makes the footage so striking. It is not dramatic because of shouting, resistance, or chaos. It is unsettling because of how ordinary it feels. One moment, a respected public official is driving home. The next, he stands at the back of a wrecked car, unable to answer simple questions, unable to follow simple directions, while the reality of what has happened slowly closes in around him. In the end, the traffic stop became something much larger than a DUI arrest. It became a stark reminder that impairment can erase judgment, memory, and control in ways that are both immediate and devastating. It also underscored a truth that cuts through every title and every position of power. On the side of a dark road with flashing lights in the distance, the law does not ask who you are. It asks only what you did.